When you buy a pair of quality sunglasses, you probably want to make them last, and it's really important to clean them properly. We always recommend our spray lens cleaner that you get complimentary with a pair of glasses here, but we also sell it separately. And always use a quality microfiber cloth when you're cleaning your glasses. Don't use tissue or paper towel because you're definitely gonna scratch those lenses. Another important note about taking care of your lenses is resist the urge to clean them on your shirt. I guarantee that you will find some scratch if you do that consistently. Another important thing to talk about is not leaving your glasses in your car, especially on a really hot day. The heat inside of your car can crack some of the coatings that are on your lenses, so it's really important to put them in your case and take them with you. Another important aspect when we talk about caring for our glasses is taking them off properly, which I know sounds a little silly, but a lot of patients will want to take it off with one hand. But that puts pressure on the temple of the glasses over here, and over time will stretch them out where they don't fit very well. If you're wanting to take the best care of your glasses so they last you a really long time, try to take them off with both hands equally, then place them in their case. Please don't set them with the lenses down on a table because you're sure to scratch them at that point.